Today, I'll show you how to make this Bodhi stress ball. I call this the Bodhi stress ball. This one is made with 12 Bodhi beads. It uses fewer beads, so it works better with larger beads. For the bead size, 16 millimeters to 20 millimeters works great. It feels just right for adult hands. This is what the finished one looks like. We need 12 beads in total. For the string, I use flat silk elastic cord. Regular elastic cord works too, but make sure it is thick enough because we will squeeze and play with this ball a lot. A thin cord can break more easily. We want it to last longer. I usually prepare about 80 centimeters of string. Having extra string is always better than running out. First, put on 3 beads. All 3 beads go on the same string. This process is actually simple. Now we have 3 beads. Next, take the 4th bead. Put both ends of the string together and pass them through the bead. Pull it through. Flat silk elastic cord is easier to work with than crystal elastic cord. Now it starts to take shape. 4 beads create one side. Now, let's use the right cord to make our second face. We already have 1 base bead here, so we only need to add 3 more beads. The last one, the 3rd bead, will be our cross bead. And just like that, we've got our second face. Pro tip, from here on out, the last bead of every face will always be a cross bead. Moving on to the 3rd face, pass the left cord through the adjacent bead on the left. Now we have 2 beads on the cord. Since every face needs 4 beads, we'll just add 2 beads to the right cord. Using the last one, the 2nd bead, to cross through, and that's another face done. Just repeat this exact process for the rest. As we continue, the shape slowly becomes a ball. Now it starts to look like a diamond shape. Let's adjust our position real quick. Now that we have this shape, we need to pass through 2 beads. We'll still use the left cord to go through the next 2 adjacent beads, the first one, then the second. Make sure you get the right ones. It's these 2 outer beads. Now pull it tight, and look, the shape is coming together. If we look at it horizontally, we already have 3 beads in line, so we only need to add the 4th bead, the final one. This last bead will be our cross bead to lock everything in place and complete the face. And with all 12 beads used, this face is completely finished. Now we make the triangle connections. These triangles help stabilize the ball. Pass the string through the next bead. Pull it tight. Connect the other side too. Make sure both strings meet together. Now we can finish it. Tie 3 knots. 3 knots are strong enough and will not loosen easily. Push the knot inside the bead hole. This hides the knot completely. And that's it. The Bodhi stress ball is finished. The smaller one is great for children. A larger one feels heavier and more satisfying to play with.